With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, consider the given question. The product of the reaction of this compound, that is CH3 whole thrice CCHOSCH3 with concentrated sulfuric acid is. So these four options are given. So we have to find which one is, these four options are given. We have to find which one is correct. So starting from the compound CCH3, we can write CH3 whole thrice C in this way. CHOH CH3. So when it is treated with concentrated H2SO4 or H plus, because this is the acid, so it has H plus. So we know that this oxygen has two lone pair, so it donated to this H plus, and there is a formation of this intermediate, that is CH3 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 OS2 positive. So when it is heated, so there is a removal of the water molecule. So this follow the SN, this follow the, so there is a formation of the, it follow E1 that is elimination reaction. So there is a formation of carbocation CH positive CH3, because in the E1 reaction there is a formation of the carbocation. So we know that there is the rearrangement is possible, because this is the 2-degree carbocation, and we know that 2 degree, that is secondary carbocation. We know that tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary, so there will be the 1,2 methyl shift. So this will goes here and positive charge will come here. So there is the formation of this intermediate after rearrangement CH3. The positive charge will come here, and here CH3. Now in this step we can write, this is OH S double bond O S double bond O OH. So it will take H plus from, this is the H2SO4, so there is the removal of minus HSO4 minus, that is if H plus is removed from H2SO4, so there is the remaining part of HSO4 minus. Now here we can write this intermediate in this way, that is CH3 positive CH CH3. So when HSO4 minus take this H plus, so this will goes here and this charge will neutralize. So there is the formation of CH3 double bond CH3, and this, when this HSO4 minus take H plus from here, so there is the H2SO4 is also formed as side product. So finally, so this is our final product, or we can write it in this way as given in the option, that is CH3 whole twice C double bond CH3 whole twice. Now consider the given option, in which option it is given. So it is given in the option number 2nd, hence option 2nd would be the right choice. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.